All right, children. So nice to see all of you present in the
Good morning,
class.
sister.
We are back to the language class. All of you are doing well. All right. Make sure that you watch and listen carefully. All right. And when you need to talk, please do. Or else in between, you can, mute yourself. All right. So today's topic for us in English language is subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement. You know what is subject-verb agreement? What is subject-verb agreement? We need to get along with, isn't it, friends? And we try to do different things to get along with parents, friends, okay, isn't it? So agreement is in order to remain in agreement, okay, isn't it? We try to do, this and that, I try to make the other people happy, isn't it? And here in this chapter, we need to make verb and subject and verb agree with each other. Okay, we have to make them get along with one another. Okay, we have to match them. Okay, so this is what we are going to see in this chapter. The chapter 28, subject verb agreement. You know what is subject? Subject is a noun or pronoun, one who is doing the action in the sentence. Subject is always what? Noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun. Okay? If noun doesn't come, pronoun in place of noun, isn't it? And noun are what? Names, ideas, things, places, isn't it? So all these are nouns, okay? So in place of noun, what will come? Pronoun. So subjects are either noun or pronoun, all right? And verb, as you know, is an action word, okay? The action. So the doer and the action. Subject is the doer, okay? And verb is action. All right. Now, what we are going to do today in this chapter is you have to see the agreement. How to make them agree. How to agree. Okay. So how to match them, subject and verb. All right. So this is what we are going to see today. Now remember that when we are going to do it, the basic thing we need to remember is singular subject. Singular subject is only one. Singular means one. Singular subject take singular verb. Okay? Singular subject take singular verb. So one. Okay? One means singular. Okay? Always remember one means singular. So singular subject, okay, take singular verb. And plural subjects take plural verb. Okay, plural means more than one, as you all know. No, one is singular, two and more than two are plural, isn't it? One girl, Avista. Okay, there are many girls. Avantika, who are this? Avantika and Sukriti. Okay, so all these become many. So I need to take plural verb for them. Okay, so singular subject, singular verb. Singular is one. Remember, plural subject, plural verb. More than one, that means many. Okay, and that you need to, the basic thing you remember. So this is what we are going to make it agree. Okay, with the plural subject, plural, singular subject, singular. All right. Now here we'll understand only when we look into the sentences, apply it. Let's see. Now the sentences here. Ajit is a boy. Okay, Ajit, a great friend of mine. So I need to use a verb here. So the word given here is be. So you need to remember be form of the verb. What are the be form of the verb? As you last classes we have been discussing it so many times. Is, am, are. Okay. So is and am singular, be plural. So if I have to make this in past, it will be either was or were in the past. All right, be form. So please do remember. All right. So Ajit, a great friend of mine. So be form of the verb. So should I use Ajit am, Ajit is, Ajit are, Ajit was, Ajit were? So here, let's take it a present. Okay, this is only the past. So we will take it present form. So you can say Ajit. Ajit are. What did you say? Ajit are.
Was.
Ajit is. Ajit is. Singular. Singular subject. See, this is singular subject. Ajit. Okay, is singular verb. Alright, so Ajit is a great friend of mine. Only one person. Ajit is a great friend of mine. Okay, this is singular verb. Alright, this is singular auxiliary verb. And now here, now look at the second sentence. Okay, so Ajit is coming with friends. See, Ajit. Now here and is there. Okay, so there are going to be two people. See, Ajit and Amit. So see, with and it's being Ajit and Amit. So two. Ajit and Amit, great friends of mine. So here, be from the verb are. Are. Very good. Ajit and Amit are great friends of mine. That's good. Okay, so proceeding on. Number 3. Look, the horse around the field. So you have been given a verb here. So the word is gallop, the verb. So we have to see subject, the number, whether the subject, my subject in the sentence is singular or plural first. So let's circle the subject here. Look, the horse. No, horse is the subject here. So number or singular or plural? This is only one horse. Okay. So I need to take the singular subject here. So gallop is singular or plural subject verb? Hmm?
Gallop.
Gallop is a singular or plural?
Blur.
Sorry? In what form? I need to make it as a singular verb here. So when I make a verb into singular, so I need to add either as, depends on, okay, IES or whatever in this, okay. So here I need to add, in order to make it singular verb, I need to add s. So gallops. S, gallops. So singular subject, singular verb. If I don't write S here, if I cut this S, rub this out, that means it is plural. The horse gallop. So this gallop I use for plural subject. Okay? So singular subject and plural verb is not matching. Okay? Not matching. For singular subject, I need to keep singular verb. Alright, so hers, since it is singular, I make it is singular, the verb, I make this verb singular by adding s. So now both are singular. See, subject also, verb also. So horse gallops around the field. So next, number 4. Number 4. Look, the horses. Now here we have horses. First, we'll circle the subject here. Okay. So horses. Horses. So that horses shows more than one. More than one. Subject is plural. The horses. Okay. The horses. So what will I do now? Gallop. My bird will be? My bird will be?
Gallop.
As it is
Gallop.
plural
Gallop.
verb, gallop.
Gallop.
Okay, so see
Gallop.
here for singular, I wrote as here, I have added as for plural, I kept as it is. All right. If it were for noun, I would have gallops and gallop. No, it's just the opposite. Okay, it's just the opposite for the verb. See, okay, for the singular with s, for plural without s. Okay, so that's next. So now it agrees. If I again write here s, it will be singular. And again, subject and verb doesn't match, doesn't agree. So I should not be writing s. So this is wrong. All right. So without s, plural verb. Okay. Now look at number 5. Number 5, the cows grazing in the field. The cows.
Are grazing. Are.
Okay.
Are.
Are grazing. Why are? Why are? Why are you using this verb? Helping verb. Why are you using are? Because of
Because
the
there are many cows. Cows.
Okay. So grazing in the field. All right. Let's look at number 6. The herd of cows grazing in the field. The herd of
Is.
cows. Cows. Now see, look here.
Is
Herd.
grazing a field.
Okay, this is a collective noun.
Is.
Okay, so a group of cows, herd of cows.
Are.
So when you
Are.
use noun, you need to use
Is.
singular. So the herd of cows, not a group of cows.
The
So
heart is of crows are.
is.
Are.
Okay,
Is.
the herd of
Is.
cows is.
Is.
So I should not be looking at that. I should be looking at the whole herd of cows, a group of cows. So when it is collective noun, I should be taking for the collective noun, I should be taking the singular verb. Singular verb. Okay? Collective noun considered as a singular subject. So though you can see here cows as plural, but it is mentioned in a group, herd of cows. Okay, so you see, can you see this collective noun here? Herd of cows, a group of cows. Okay, is grazing in the field. Remember that. Okay, whenever there is collective noun, it takes collective subject will take sorry, the collective noun will take singular verb. Okay, so is. Now next, the people. The people. This is plural, no? The people. People is the singular or plural.
Are. Are. Are.
Plural. So I should be taking plural verb. Shouting at the president. Okay, people are shouting at the president. But now look at the second sentence. The crowd of people. Again here, collective noun is being used. See, crowd of people. Crowd. So whenever there is collective noun, we have to use is. Okay? So shouting at the president. So I can see our students are getting smarter day by day. Okay. So remember, children, for subject verb agreement, it depends on the singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. Always remember that. Okay, that's a basic thing that you need to remember. There are more rules. Okay, which we need to follow, and these we will be discussing in the other classes. Okay, so I'll be discussing in the later classes, how many classes we need. So we will be discussing on that. All right. So make sure that you practice this, that you read and practice it. Okay. Remember the base helping verb auxiliary verb that we use. Okay. So be form of the verb I have been helping you. Okay. Auxiliary verb we used to have the main verb be form, and I have also told you. Okay. have, okay, has and have, okay, and then do, does, okay. So these three verbs, helping verbs, you need to remember it because you need this often while you are agreeing with the subject. Okay, so you need to know these are the basic things that you need to remember. And also along with this auxiliary helping verb, you need to remember also another set of helping verbs modals. Okay, this is can, may, might, could, shall, will, okay, must, ought to, all these are modals. These are also helping verb. Okay, so you need to remember those basic things so that it will be easy for you to make subject agree with the verb in our speech, in our talking, as well as in our writing. Okay, all of us want to be efficient and fluent, okay, and perfect in our language. So what we need to do is we need to use it correctly, and if we do not know, and what do? We read and we learn, and we observe and we listen, and that way we correct ourselves, and we also learn from our observation, our reading, our practicing in writing as well as in speech or talking. All right, children? So I wish you all the best. So for the coming classes, you need to study. I will be sending you the assignments. Okay? So see you in the next class. Take care of you. Bye-bye.